Now I'm going to teach you the chorus. Now the chorus gets repeated quite a lot. So basically what she says is, I don't know what to sing, 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 sing. So you're going to go, I, touch it, I don't know. Okay? My elbows are here on my side, so I don't know what. I don't know what to sing. So sing is from your mouth. Sing, so sing, sing. Okay? Straight arm, so from my shoulders, straight. I don't know what to sing, sing. And then from you, this is your right hand. And then your left hand, sing, sing, him. Arms goes open, your hands goes open. Okay? So what you're going to do is, it goes, I don't know what to sing, 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 sing. But then your mouth needs to look like woo. Okay? So you're going to go, I don't know what to woo, 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 ha! Alright, so you're going to go, I don't know what to sing, 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 ha! Okay, that's the first one. But now we're going to go to the next one. The next verse, or the next sentence says, I don't know what to do. Again, I don't know what. I don't know what to. So you're going to go to do. Now this is not negative. This is like, I don't know what to do. I'm excited for Jesus, but I don't know what to do. So you're going to go, I don't know what to do. And you smile like, I don't know what to do. Okay? And then the second, so then the next phrase goes, I don't know what the words are to express. Then you go, I don't know what the words, here from your belly, I don't know what the words are to express. Express is like you take those words and you express it here by your belly button. Express, like a click, express on how I really do love. Love, it's like it goes open, love, 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 and click to the Lord. But let that also come from your heart. Like here you say, Lord, I don't sometimes always have the words in how to express of how I really do love you. Okay, then, so, sorry, I'm going a bit faster now, but we will do it on music a bit later. Then it says, I don't know what the words are to express on how I really do love you. And that is the whole, that's everything.